Good afternoon. Unit 1 Task 2 Why Opinion Exit Module 4 Where Opinion Exit Book give topic field with different color. The parts introduction were 50 20 word maximum don't know use I. The benefits of exercise. Exercise is very beneficial for the body, both physical and psychology, for people of all ages. The benefits are not only reflected in your physical appearance, but also have profound impact on your mental and emotional well-being. Exercise is like full for joy, but it helps everyone the way it should when you move work your head strong and strong. Here book block more easy weeks. Guys, you're more energy and prevent discharge. Moving the body in the being head breath. Letting go stress or accumulate with relation is not physical. Physical condition book that metal silence you when you finish. I raise control feel like is other screen lay the problem no long when you move. Thank you.